Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Scores of internally displaced persons in Kenan community, Sagbama local government area of Bayelsa State, have called on the Bayelsa State government and the Federal Ministry of Environment to come to their aid. This follows a recent coastal erosion that sacked no fewer than 25 homes in the community.
Christiana Isoje, an indigene of Kenan community, is homeless and without a means of livelihood. The mother of 10, whose house was submerged recently in the Kenan River, says her family has been hit by starvation.
Pepper when I plant, all plantain, cassava, everything, garri when I fell for house, over 60 bag of 100 kg of garri don cut for river. See where they sleep, you will go there, go video me, see that kitchen and there they sleep. Me, I don't die finish as I did. See my condition, Mona help me.
Kenan community is in Sagbama local government area of Bayelsa State. Its residents are predominantly farmers and fishermen whose livelihoods are seriously threatened by a coastal erosion. Members of the community say the Kenan River bursting its banks has submerged several houses and vast parcels of land. Solomon Edide, a youth leader, blames the incident on the dredging activity of a company operating along the Kenan River without the consent of the community.
Since 2017, we have been experiencing this erosion because of the Stelly Global who use their vessel to pass this our river, and they will use their dredger to dredge the sand and put it on the other side. And they don't come to our community to bargain or write MOU with us or anything. We don't even have their contact. They just come with security and put their dredger there, begin to dredge. And we don't want to carry guns so that they will not call us Niger Delta boys, not start again. They will not say we'll be militants, we'll be this, we'll be that.
With the submerging of some 25 houses recently, many are now displaced. President of Kenan Development Union, Leonard Osiogbo, is concerned that the entire community will be sacked in years to come if nothing is done urgently to arrest the situation.
Some of my people have gone to the neighboring communities for habitation, and I feel the government should come to our aid. We are suffering. The erosion is eating hard. I'm calling on the government to come before our village goes into extinction.
While there has been no loss of life since the advent of coastal erosion in Kenan community some 5 years ago, properties worth hundreds of millions of naira have been lost over time. Residents of the community need urgent assistance, which is possible with the provision of a shoreline protection that will hopefully ameliorate their plight.
Inside the Niger Delta,